So this week I'm going to show my Enhancement A assignment, and this week we're going to show how you can click on any category in the nav bar and then click an option and have that deliver the details view. So we'll start by opening and running it first, and we'll show my mobile view first. We're going to start we'll just do Canyon, and we'll do the first one. And so here you go, as you can see, it works. And then this is going to be my desktop view. And we'll go back to mobile. And I'll do that in different ones. We'll do Monster, Rubber Band. Here we go. So here's that, and then here's mobile view. And we'll just stay on this one, and we'll validate the local HTML. And no errors or warnings showing. And then we will validate the local CSS. And no errors found. And that concludes our assignment for this week. Thanks.